Good morning. I'm so happy to be with you all after what seems like a decade. Today I'm here, feeling proud and delighted as head of this wonderful institution, Akshara International School, as we celebrate its 10th founding day. I take this opportunity to welcome both new and old members of the Akshara family who are with us today to celebrate this occasion, which is a true testament to the commitment, resilience, and dedication of the team who shared my dream and vision. The cornerstone for Akshara International School was laid by the Honorable former President of India, Srimati Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, my mother, and Dr. Devi Singh Shekhawat, my father, a true academician to this day. I would say that they laid a stone, a tested stone, a precious one for sure foundation. They have both set up institutions of higher learning themselves, and I grew up watching their work and later on participating in it. I have witnessed how they valued the team who worked alongside them in evolving the institution. I have watched their dedication to fulfill their vision. I can just hope to be able to live up to their standards. Each year, as we celebrate the founding of Akshara as Commemoration Day, it is a chance to come together and celebrate our journey with our community of students, parents, staff, alumni, and supporters. This year, Commemoration Day is an opportunity for us to acknowledge some of the tough times we have faced and the incredible ways we have been together as a community, students, staff, and parents too. We learn new lessons ourselves. We upgraded our skills and have lived by our tagline, which says that we are a school that instills continuous learning. I would like to remind the staff and students each year that we should never take Commemoration Day for granted or see it simply just as another school event. For me, for us all, it is arguably the most important day in the school's calendar. Commemoration Day is extremely important for the school for two reasons. Firstly, it is a day on which we celebrate achievement, our many achievements, individual and collective. Second, it is an important occasion for the whole school to be together, to do things together, and to remember that we are an important and strong community. The whole is always stronger than the sum of its parts. We need this occasion in the year just to remind us that we do not work or live or play in isolation. We do it together. The Commemoration Day is also special because we have seen the new education policy being presented to the nation, which has a lot of expectations from us who are involved in the education sector. We need to assimilate a lot from it, and as we forge ahead into the next decade, we need to realign ourselves according to it. We now need to prepare students for more rapid change than ever before, to learn for jobs that have not yet been created, to tackle societal challenges that we can't yet imagine, and to use technologies that have not yet been invented. And we need to prepare them for an interconnected world in which students understand and appreciate different perspectives and worldviews, interact successfully and respectfully with others, and take responsible action towards sustainability and collective well being. And to do this, we need to plan and build our capacities too. We are on a good footing because we are already inculcating mindfulness skills which equip them to become resilient and to accept whatever new situations life will bring before them while keeping a check on their own emotions, anxiety, tension, stress, sleep issues, to name a few. So, yes, we are laying a good solid foundation for them. I want to inform you all today that we are now coming up with the Children's Mindfulness Center at Zambe, which will be a residential facility where children can stay for a few days and master these skills. They will have access to good food, recreation, and will learn mindfulness in depth. And the best part is it will be available for no cost and or fee at all. Next, to fulfill the expectations that NEP has put forth, we will have to enhance and enrich student learning by incorporating innovative and latest pedagogy methods. We will have to plan lessons that are grounded in real life situations. We will have to encourage multidisciplinary study that builds on the subject study, but with greater depth, critical thinking, and flexibility. We will have to gradually move away from the chalk and board method and move towards the experiential and activity-based learning. The primary teachers have already attended sessions along with me on project-based learning during the lockdown. We will have to give deep thought on how to incorporate these new ways into our existing way of doing things. The NEP has also suggested giving access to children to alternate forms of learning. Towards this, we are coming up with a pre-primary school at Zambe based on the principles of constructivism, which is a combination of experiential, discovery-based and project-based education methodology. There, we will see a shift in teaching learning from rote to inquiry-based and applied methods in which conceptual learning is not compromised. Teaching learning in these classes will be through the regional language but with a great English curriculum. This will be a futuristic model of integrated approaches of Eastern and Western philosophy as well as the 21st century skills. There is a lot we have done in these past 10 years and there is a lot more to do. So there will be a lot of learning and excitement going ahead. Today, let us pledge ourselves to make a commitment to do the right thing, to be honorable and to carry out our goal for a real education, for stretching the individual and for learning and preparation for a successful life. Commemoration Day 2020 is an entirely virtual experience, bringing together our staff, students, parents and communities from the comfort and safety of our homes. So enjoy it. Wishing you all a happy 2020. May the new year bring happiness and joy to you and your adorable family. We miss you and hope to see you soon in 2021. Thank you.